Good morning, welcome to another day. We've had a bit of a line, it's like 12:30 or something at the moment. We just head off from the hotel, we're going to go get some food and then just go like a little tour around the city, do the normal things like the cathedral and all that lot, get some cool photos, pictures, all that lot. The exact same what I just said, just two different versions, photos and pictures. Got Elise with me again, and that's pretty much it. Going to try to find some things to do, and then later on tonight I think we're possibly going to be drinking.
Yeah.
We're going to be drinking. And then there's also this place here that apparently is really good. Apparently when Elise was walking down here yesterday when she was going to the shop, there's like a massive queue. No? We'll look online. But there's a massive queue or something, I don't know.
Yeah, it was like down here.
Yeah. Oh, doing that today as well. I need a crap.
And look, opens up. It's not too
Wow, so they really lied to us. Google said that it's 24 hours, this place. Anyway, we're going to get to the food spot and I'll show you what I've got.
sit down.
Alright, so within Iceland they have a food hall. And it's got a little bit of everything. It's got Mexican, Italian, Indian, Japanese, a bit of everything. I've gone for a curry and I've got myself a butter chicken. Very excited, and I've got myself an elderflower and lime drink. It's at the place. Looks really nice in here. Elisa's got a pizza that she's picking up right now. And it looks really good. I'm actually really excited, and I'm also starving. Wow. I'm going to eat this and then head off and we'll find what to do today. But that also looks really good. Looks really, really good. I'm going to eat and then we'll come back. And that is the food done. Thoughts?
Really nice.
Anything else?
I'm very full, satisfied.
And anything else?
Nope.
Okay. Mine was great. I was telling Elise that it was a little bit spicy, but that's because I'm not great with spice. But either way, I feel very satisfied with my food. And now we are going to do a little bit of shopping. I still love the view down there, with like the mountains in the background and stuff. And this is the main city. You wouldn't find that anywhere else. Possibly in Norway. So you can find other places. That's oh wait, isn't that the opera house or something?
I don't know, it's what we drove past.
Yeah, that's one that lights up when you look at different angles of it. That's well warm. Have a feel of that water. It's alright, it's fine. So this is inside of the little concert hall, opera house. That looks really nice. What an amazing view. And that's from the city. We're next to the big opera house, which looks very impressive. And then you've got, that's pretty much it, someone getting rescued down there. We did the whale watching over where those boats are down there, innit? Those ones over there. It's all quite close, isn't it? We've made it to the famous sundial. And that's it. A sun voyager. That was really impressive and very cool. And now we've made it to the cathedral on perfect time because the bells are going off now. Oh, that was literally just it. I was expecting a bit more from the bells, or a bit longer, but it sounded quite cool. It sounded like an intro to a theme song or something. So here is the cathedral. Got a statue at the front as well. And then I believe you can go right to the top there, which we're going to try do. It looks very cool. It looks very, I wouldn't say gothic or like scary or something. Like you'd see this in like a sort of a horror film, wouldn't you? What do you think?
Yeah. Maybe.
I know what I'm thinking. It's very minimalistic, isn't it? So then, oh wow, there's a bit organ behind.
Yeah.
It's cool. Yeah. We get the full top view. Ooh. That's very cool. And then you got the bells up there. I was not expecting it to be that loud. We've got little steps up here as well. And you can sort of look down. It's all pretty much the same view. Okay, so now we're just having a little wander around. I did find a really nice jumper, but it's like 200 quid-ish. So if I can find a similar one, I'll probably get that. It's like a nice green, like wool knitted jumper. But yeah, there's not really much that's happened since the church. Like I said, we're doing a bit of clothes shopping, or like just any sort of shopping really. Anything that we sort of want. But he's got us a matcha, good matcha.
Very good.
Very good. And that's the most expensive restaurant I've ever been to in the world.
Oh, really nice pastry.
Yeah, it did taste good. Just very expensive. I myself a Stone white ale. I have actually had a little bit to drink already because I completely forgot about this vlog. But it smells like a white wine. It is a white ale though, so white wine, white ale, same thing. I'm not a huge fan of the taste. It's very wine tasting, which I like wine. But for a beer that's all fizzy, not for me. Very thick as well. Not the best. So I'm not going to get that again. And also it's about 8 quid. It's a bit expensive. Good morning. This is going to be part 2 of yesterday's vlog. We are heading over to the Sky Lagoon. Got Elise with me again. And the Sky Lagoon, if you don't know what it is literally just a natural spring, hot spring, and it's got like a little 7-step ritual sort of thing. That's what they call it. So you got like a cold room, you got some sort of like tea room and all that lot. So we're going to figure out what it actually is when we get there and have a look. It's going to be a nice relaxing day today, and then later on tonight so we'll pack in, and that's pretty much it. With yesterday's video, I think that's probably one of my favourite pubs or bars I've ever been to, and that's really it. So we've got a nice beautiful view, a little bit cloudy today, but nevertheless still practically the same weather, just a little bit more windy. Oh wow. Now we've made it into the Sky Lagoon, and the water here is beautiful, nice and warm. I think it's like 60 odd degrees in it. I remember them saying like the water here is like 60 odd degrees like already.
It smells a bit muggy.
Does it? Oh, there's a whole waterfall and everything. We have found ourselves a waterfall. It's beautiful. I'm going to give myself a little jump. We're going to chill here for a little bit and then go through our 7 steps, and that's pretty much it. It's going to be a nice slow one. We're going to be in here for like at least 5 hours until my skin's all wrinkly.
My fingers are already wrinkly.
Oh yeah, you've been here you've been waiting
I
for me
waited like 15 minutes for you.
It's fine. Look, see how cold it is. It's all snowing. All the snow's still here. Never been watching a whale or something. Alright, cold plunge time. Oh my god, that's cold. That's really cold. That's really cold. That's freezing. I think my hair's actually freezing up. I'm cold. I'm nearly a minute in. 48 seconds. My whole body's starting to tingle now. It's actually quite nice now. Okay. Once you're in for like 30 seconds, it's actually not bad, but I am starting to go numb. I've been in a minute now. That was awful. My hair's actually frozen up. We're in the sauna now. I'm going to stay quiet because it is very quiet now. There's a lot of people. Lovely view though. I think once you're in for like 30 seconds, it's actually not that bad. It's a cold mist room. I'm really warm right now, but I'm going to go straight into the cold mist. Oh, it's actually ice up there.
It's like your feet are really cold.
Just stood right on the ice. Funny thing is, you've got to go through that as well.
I know I do.
And that was pretty much it. But right, that's the cold mist. Now we're heading into what's this? Toga. Oh, cold.
I literally knew you were going to do that.
Nurture your skin. Wow, very cool. Right, so I've just done myself a body scrub. It feels quite nice, very thick. But yeah, got done a body scrub, and now we're probably steam. Yeah, so we're going to do that, and then that's pretty much it really. The body scrub actually felt really nice. Right, we're going into a steam room now. Right, this is the final step, the drink. Icelandic herbal tea. Very nice. That's nice. It's like
PCC from that shore.
that's lovely. We might have to buy some. Yeah. If it's 60 quid, then I'm not going to, but lovely. And oh my god, my hair looks awful. That is the 7 steps. That is including the cold plunge. The cold plunge does count as one, as well as the sauna. That drink at the end, that was lovely. So depending on the price of it, I might get it. But we're back in the lagoon. I think we'll stay here for like maybe 5 or 10 minutes and then have a wash. Because that body scrub, lovely, felt really good, but it's oily. 7 steps. Elise doesn't want to be in camera, but how was your thing?
It was good. I enjoyed it.
That's good. But yeah, so we're gonna see what happens next and carry on. Goodbye. And that is us done. It's very windy outside, so mind the hairline. But we just had a final shower, all that lot, put clothes away, that sort of stuff. And since it's actually our last full day, I think it's a nice way to just finish it off. But yeah, overall, I liked that place. Cold plunge was actually probably one of my favourite bits, but I wouldn't do it again because that was insanely cold. But I'm glad I did it. Dunked my head and everything. I was recovering in the sauna for about a good 10 minutes, just trying to get my nerves back to normal. But it did wake me up. I feel great. Hey guys, I got myself a traditional hot dog. I don't know what the sauce is, and then it's got ketchup. I don't really like ketchup. And it's got mayo, and I don't really like mayo. But it's got crispy onion, and I like crispy onion. It's actually quite nice. I don't really know what else to say about it. It tastes nice. I don't like the aftertaste, but it's actually quite nice. I've got mixed opinions on it. Thank you. And now we're heading off to a traditional restaurant that has a lot of soups, because Elise, you wanted what soup?
I don't know what soup it is, but it's just soup.
It's just a soup. So we're going to look at that. I'm not a soup person, but I do have soup, or certain types of soup, and see what they got. If not, I think they still have like fish and chips and stuff, and apparently that's quite traditional. So my hair looks awful right now. And then other than that, that's it. We're going to go get another crap, or I'm going to get another crap. And then possibly later on in the evening, like 8 o'clock or something, might go back to the hot dog stand. I feel like today I just want to be like a bit of a eating fanatic. Same with you.
I said that. He's copying. I said that
Look,
earlier.
I'm a trendsetter. Okay, the food came out like pretty much instantly. Elise has gone for a mushroom sort of style soup, very nice. I've gone for a meat one. I think it was lamb, pepperoni, and bits and pieces in it. And they serve it in a bread bowl. That's what makes it traditional. I don't apparently. Looking forward to it. Got some butter, Icelandic butter, so it's very traditional. That tastes really nice, actually.
Good?
That's really good. Yeah. That's nice. I don't know how you eat the bowl, though.
I think you eat the soup.
You eat the soup, and then you sort of eat the bowl. Yeah.
Because it's like it's soaked into it.
Yeah. Thank you for watching this Iceland series. I hope you enjoyed them as much as I enjoyed doing the actual excursions. I think they were quite fun. Did you have a nice time with the excursions?
I did. I had a lot of fun.
I was tripping over nearly again.
Shut up.
I think we've had some nice memories of the Somerville. That will be one of my peak moments on this trip. And same for Elise, I think. No? I think so as well for her. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe, like what everyone else on YouTube says. And I will see you in the next country. Goodbye.